the context, the data export from the system, it doesn't have any indicator for the particular month or particular year. Typically, people will just simply copy, paste and get this thing done. My advice to my dear friends here, do not do all these things. You are able to get this thing done easily using Excel. What you can see the data on the left is for the month of January 2019. Meanwhile, the data on the right is year 2019 for the month of February. What we want to do is to combine this kind of multiple months, different kind of data into Excel seamlessly, and the Excel able to differentiate which month they are in. And furthermore, Excel is able to differentiate for the future data as and when we have the new data in. Let's see the final result. Now, what you can see on the folder, it has all the data for all the months here. I'm going to paste a new set of data. So the new set of data is in. What I need to do is go back to Excel and right click and refresh, and I can see that two set of data appears on the screen. If we use Excel effectively, all these things can be done just once, and everything's easier as we move along.